Innovation starts with a software development kit. The TechLinks SDK is a versatile toolkit that equips developers with the resources needed to seamlessly build, integrate, and optimize barcode label printing within their application. The TechLinks SDK allows you to enable native label printing right within the interface your users trust. The TechLinks SDK gives your application access to everything in the labeling environment. Your users have full control to manage their data, label templates, and printers in one unified package. TechLinks SDK includes libraries, documentation, sample applications, video tutorials, and over 3 decades of accumulated expert knowledge. ERP providers can synergize business functions. WMS providers can enhance shipping fulfillment processes. All developers can create solutions to solve label printing challenges of every scale. The TechLinks SDK doesn't just integrate, it empowers. Elevate your applications and put the control of native barcode label printing at your fingertips. Discover what's possible with TechLinks Software Development Kit. Connect with us today.